Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a bitterless bitter leaf soup. When I mean bitterless, I mean no trace of bitterness inside your soup. Okay, so first I'm going to be adding our meat. We have goat meat here, we have the towel, we have beef. I have this ram meat that we got doing salad. Then next I have snail. I'm going to be adding dried fish and stock fish that I've already washed. Next I'm adding onions. Next, I'm adding some green pepper, some salt. Some people actually say that they don't, what they call it. They don't like it. They don't. In fact, they don't even. They don't like. They don't put onions inside their soup. That it affects the uggghh that will be added inside. And I'm like, how? It doesn't affect at all. So far, I'm just using it to, cook my meat, to add extra flavor to it. So I'm adding my stock cube. I'm using beef stock, and I'm going to be adding enough to make sure the meat tastes nice. Because at this point, after seasoning, I don't add any other thing except for the rest. You guys are going to see. So yeah. I'll transfer this onto the cooker. I'm going to be boiling a pot of water that we're going to use to wash our bitter leaf. This process can be tedious, I promise you, but at the end of the day, you're going to enjoy your meal. You're going to enjoy your meal at the end of the day, I promise you, okay? So we're going to bring this water to a boil, then we will add our bitter leaf. Hi guys, so I decided to switch to voiceover. Anyways, there was too much background noise. Anyways, now I'm just washing it, trying to strain it and cool it down with extra water and other cold water before washing it. This process you have to do, like, I do mine like 3 times. Whenever I try doing it twice or once, it doesn't come out the way I want, so I do it at least 3 times. I know it can be stressful, but the fact that you boiled the bitter leaf actually helps it to bring out all the bitterness very, very well. Then you wash it. One time I went to the market and got bitter leaf. I wanted to make bitter leaf soup. Guys, I didn't even wash it, and after making that soup, I hated everything about the soup that day. And I was like, why is it that bitter leaf these days are so bitter? Back in those days, when you buy bitter leaf, my dear, like, it is well properly washed. So I found a means, and this is my process of making a very, very sweet bitter leaf soup, and I hope you try it. Stop making a bitter leaf soup. We know it's a bitter leaf, but you don't have to always present a bitter leaf bitter soup, okay? This process is the best I've ever tried. I actually, whenever I want to make it, I'm like, okay, today I'm going to go through this, and I'm always keeping myself ready for all the work that comes with it. You guys, this is just the best way I've tried. Stop making soup that will embarrass you. Stop making soup that will make people to stop coming to your house to eat, okay? This process is actually the best that can actually help you. I promise you. Just try it and you confirm. So this is the color of the water. I actually do this till the water is clear or almost clear. You understand? When it's clear or almost clear. So yeah, I'm going to boil another water and add the bitter leaf back. I don't want to show you guys the whole process, like showing you guys the same thing again actually, so I don't bore you. Another way to know a soup that will be very sweet, a bitter leaf soup that will be very sweet, is when you present it and the color is just as, you know, just when you are done adding the red oil and everything, and it's just that same yellowish color, and it's not dark green or dark yellow, or you know, that dirty color that comes with the bitter leaf because you didn't wash it well. Yeah, so I'm going to be adding everything together. I added my cocoyam, my yellow pepper and crayfish, some ogiri, added water, and now I'm adding the red oil. You guys, this process is the best. See, if you want, oh god, I wish you guys could taste this soup, and with all the meat that combine inside, oh my god, sorry. Anyways, I'm going to, you know, bring everything all together, and our soup is ready. The soup is ready. There's nothing more that is remaining, just to boil, and the food is ready. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. At this point, if you watched to this point, please like this video. It really helps, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel.